Have you ever pondered the power of the human brain? A marvel of complexity, it's the ultimate powerhouse behind our every thought, memory, and sensation. A subject of endless fascination that continues to unravel. Let's dive into the top 10 fascinating facts about our brain. Imagine a city with 86 billion inhabitants, all interconnected. That's your brain. It's a massive network, teeming with neurons. These nerve cells, around 86 billion of them, are connected by trillions of synapses. This makes our brain more complex and intricate than any bustling city or the most sophisticated computer network. Every thought, every emotion, every memory, they all come to life within this astounding neural metropolis. So, next time you think about your brain, picture a vibrant city that never sleeps. Our brain is a bustling metropolis of neural activity. Did you know your brain is a power-hungry organ? Despite tipping the scales at a mere 2% of your body's total weight, it's a voracious energy consumer. This tiny 3-pound marvel gobbles up a staggering 20% of your body's energy supply. To put it another way, it's like a small city that uses as much power as a metropolis. This energy fuels everything from your thoughts and dreams to your actions and reactions. The brain, small but mighty. Ever wondered why you sometimes act without thinking? Well, that's because a significant portion of your brain activity is happening at the subconscious level. This means that even when you're not actively thinking about something, your brain is working behind the scenes, influencing your thoughts and actions without you even realizing it. It's like a hidden puppet master, pulling on the strings of your behavior, dictating your responses based on past experiences, feelings, and instincts. Much of your behavior is driven by the unseen workings of your brain. Did you realize your brain is a no-pain zone? That's right. This superorgan is devoid of pain receptors, those little sensors that tell us when something hurts. So what does this mean exactly? Well, it means that even if you were to poke and prod at your brain, it wouldn't feel a thing. This is the very reason why brain surgeries can be performed with patients awake. They don't feel the procedure happening. It's quite remarkable, isn't it? Brain, the organ that feels no pain. Did you know your brain is a shapeshifter? This is due to a remarkable ability called neuroplasticity. Like a river carving out a canyon, your experiences, thoughts, and actions sculpt the landscape of your brain. This allows it to reorganize itself, forming new neural connections throughout life. Whether it's learning a new language or recovering from a brain injury, your brain adapts and changes. It's like a living, breathing map that redraws itself every day. Your brain is an adaptable marvel, constantly evolving. Did you know your brain is a power station of sorts? Indeed, it generates electrical patterns that are as unique as you are. These patterns can be detected by an electroencephalogram, or EEG for short. The EEG reads these patterns like a book, telling us if we're in states of sleep, wakefulness, or engaged in different cognitive activities. It's like your brain's very own Morse code, communicating its state to the world. How fascinating is that? Your brain, a dynamic power station. Ever wondered about the storage capacity of your brain? Picture an archive so vast, it's equivalent to about 2.5 petabytes. That's a whopping 1 million gigabytes per petabyte. Now imagine that's roughly the same as 3 million hours of television shows. Just think about the number of seasons you could binge watch. It's mind-boggling, isn't it? So next time you forget where you left your keys, remember, your brain is juggling a lot more than that. Your brain, the ultimate hard drive. Did you know your brain is a constant work in progress? It's true. In the hippocampus, an area of your brain that's crucial for learning and memory, new neurons are being created all the time. It's like a construction site that never sleeps, always building, always improving. Just imagine each new experience, every piece of knowledge you gain could be sparking the birth of new neurons. It's a beautiful testament to our ability to grow and adapt. Your brain, constantly renewing, constantly learning. Did you know your brain is faster than a computer? Astonishingly, it's true. Our brains process information at lightning speeds, with neural impulses whizzing around our heads at up to 120 meters per second. Your brain, faster than the fastest computer. Did you know your brain is as unique as your fingerprint? Just as no two fingerprints are alike, each person's brain anatomy is also unique. The pattern of convolutions, those twists and turns you see on the surface of the brain, differ from person to person. Even the distribution of brain matter varies among individuals, so just as your fingerprint is a unique identifier, your brain's structure can be seen as a distinctive marker too. Your brain, the ultimate signature of your individuality. So, what's the takeaway from these brain-blowing facts? Our brains are immensely complex networks, adaptable and distinct in every individual. They're high-energy powerhouses, capable of remarkable feats from unconscious processing to constant renewal. Your brain is an incredible powerhouse, a marvel of nature, and as unique as you are, never underestimate its power.